And the snowman dish, protecting his nose. It's a Hallmark snowman dish, sold for $20.97 plus ship. This is the one going priority. I'm going to start with some tissue paper around his face, the whole sheet. Protecting his nose. And I don't know if you noticed or not, but this has natural crazing in it. Put some bubble down in the bowl and use some stretch wrap to keep it there. I'm going to build up this bubble wrap a little more, but I'm not stretch wrapping this part down. Instead, I'm just using it as filler to try to bring the height up to the same. This is low, this is high. I mean, I guess I could attach it. It's attaching to the stretch wrap. Just wanted to build that up a little bit. If you like this video, like, comment, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe. Now, let's add some bubble. I have 3 sheets of large 1/2 inch, and 2 sheets the opposite direction. I think I'll take these first, sort of. They're really not going to reach very well. A small piece in between. Bring the ends up. I don't want to get too high on this because, you know, if I use the priority mailbox that I want to use, it's only 8 inches high. We're about 7, a little over 7, but I think I'm going to go ahead and cut this so that it meets in the middle. And if you're new to our channel, the reason I hold this down sometimes is because I'm working on a tablecloth. It has a grippy on the bottom, but because I work on a tablecloth for the videos, I hold it down sometimes as it could bounce up on me a little bit. There's the snowman head. It's still taller than everything else. So that's my highest point. So let's check that highest point. I'm still at about 7. I will be using USPS box number 7. You see it there on the bottom corner. So let's try 3 sheets this direction and 3 sheets this direction. This is large 1/2 inch bubble. I got my thank you label on here. You can see there's a lot of room, a lot of movement. But let's fold this in. I gotta make sure I don't build it up too high. And you can see here, I do have it too high right now. So I'm going to roll this bubble down in on the sides. Check that again, that's pretty good. And I happen to know that this box will take 4 air pillows per side. Uh-oh, air pillows overboard. If you haven't seen our video, you'll have to check it out. We bought an air pillow machine and we show you how we set it up, tell you all about it. And yes, we make our own air pillows now. Pretty cool. As long as my item's not too wide. I'm lifting up a little bit. I'm going to put 2 and 2 air pillows and 2 and 2. And I think I've got some scrap cardboard that's pretty thin. I think I'm going to add this to the top. I'm going to put cardboard on top to help absorb the impact and so that I don't have to put any more bubble on top. Let's get this folded up and give it the shake test. Yep, it's good. Good to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon.